What's up, fellas? So as you can see, there's a pair of valves there. This one is a stock Explorer valve. That's had just a standard valve job done on it, no back cuts, nothing. And this is the same valve with the same valve job. I just took and chucked it in the drill press, you know, like so. Run this on it for a little bit, and all it did was take that little bump off the bottom, that little bulge, and kind of smooth this out. And then there's like a little lip there on the transition to the valve job. I just smoothed that out a little bit too, so the air can go over it a little better. I don't know what it'll do. I'm thinking that might be something to check next time we go to raise. Is run a stock valve, no back cut, then something like this, and then like an aftermarket, you know, valve for these, like a Ferrera valve. I actually think I have a set of those. So that's next set of Explorer heads I do up. Might be a good experiment. But I just wanted to show this. My son's coming over for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. I hope you all got stuff for your significant others, your moms and brides and whatnot. And he's going to take the valves and the Torker back to Rodney, so he can do with that whatever he wants to. If he's going to put it on or put the heads on, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what he does. And no word on the track up at Holt yet. Still waiting. Still fingers crossed. I don't want to make that trek to Atmore, but anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Anyway, just wanted to show you this real quick, what I was doing with it before they go in a box and get sent back to Rodney. Appreciate y'all. Later. So I was going to go load the video about the valves, and I said, well, I'll show you what's going on with the Torker, or the Porker as Rodney calls it, the ported Torker. I had the bottom welded, this plate put on. If you ever make one of these yourself, just make sure that your plate is below the lip or your flange, so it doesn't interfere with the gasket. And then when I had these welded shut on the inside, when he welded inside of here, or he filled this hole here, and I think there was a hole there that he filled through. But also when he welded on the bottom, it caused to bubble up here on the inside. So I tried to flatten them out a little bit, and of course I went through. But when I was looking at it, I noticed there's a crack. I don't know if you're able to see it, but right there, there's a crack. Whoops. There we go. Not on my hand, on this. So right there, crack. It's on both sides, and I guess that sometimes happens from the heat, you know, the welding and all that. So if I wanted to have that welded again, I would have to take that back off and then have the spot welded, and then probably break through again, try to flatten it out or get more cracks in it. What it is this thing is just so thin, there's just not enough material there to get it the way I would like it to be. So what I'm going to do is put some splash zone in here. A lot of professionals use it to fill in the bottom of intake ports and, you know, cylinder heads and stuff. So it's works really well. It's going to be resistant to gas and all that. So I'll just put that on there and on the sides there, and then Rod will have to keep an eye on it, make sure the plugs ain't fouling on those two cylinders, because that would mean it's sucking oil in. So that's all about. So might touch up a few more things on it, and then clean it up, put some splash zone on it, let it sit overnight, and then Rod will have this back in his paws tomorrow evening. Brandon's going back tomorrow evening. He lives in Pensacola, so he's going to drop it off for him. So that's it. This is the last time you'll see the Torker from over here. Next time you see it, Rod will be putting it on or remarking what a piece of garbage it is. But I'm interested to see how it works out. So, all right, fellas, that's all. Appreciate you.